Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. So, what do we have hiding here? This is a spot-bellied eagle owl. And this is a juvenile. The spot-bellied eagle owl is a huge species of owl. In fact, it's actually the 6th longest owl in the world and has about the 9th longest wings of any living owl. But as you can see, this one is clearly a juvenile, but he's still pretty big. So huge, in fact, that they've been known to take prey as large as small deer. Oh dear. This owl, as with many other owls, is mainly nocturnal, roosting during the day and feeding at night. So during the day they don't really tend to do very much. Doesn't really make for a very exciting video. But this one saw me, and I think we had a bit of a staring match, which obviously he would have won. It's certainly worth noting that this owl is said to be very aggressive in defence of its nest or its young. So if you do come across a nest or a young bird, proceed with a little bit of caution. You wouldn't want this pair of feet hitting you in the face. It's often documented that this owl is noted for its strange human sounding call. I don't really think it sounds like a human. Not any humans that I know, for that matter. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. So, as we always say, if you want to find the bird, learn the sound. But remember, you're probably only going to hear this at night. Oh well, time for sleep. Well, that's it for another little video, this time on the spot-bellied eagle owl, albeit the juvenile spot-bellied eagle owl. If you enjoy my little videos, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, buy me a beer, that would be nice, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.